Samurai. Ninja mixed with G.I. Joe.
Oh, it got me right in the side of the face.
Got him in the side of the face. That couldn't be too healthy.
Oh, you're aiming too high.
A couple inches closer and you're gonna make him go blind.
That's seriously, that's
Shoot his nuts. No, forget it. Just go.
Safety glasses.
Those are for wusses.
It'll break through them.
Safety glasses are for wimps.
Mitchell slid in dog poop.
I've probably stepped in dog poop with your shoe. Yeah, I have. With your shoe.
I have yours too.
Dang it!
It hit me right there.
Oh!
You're wearing my shoes.
What else am I supposed to wear?
You're supposed to go barefoot.
I am not running around.
You're running around barefoot.
Oh,
Jackass.
shoot me in the face again. See, that would have hit me in the face.
Just don't shoot the camera guy.
Where's he at?
He's over there by the tree.
Dude, I don't want to peep around the corner. He's going to shoot me in the face.
Peep your foot around.
Corner.
What good's it going to do peeping my foot around?
Just do it. I just want to see you get shot.
I'll just run over there and start beating him with the sword no matter how many times I get shot.
Wow.
How much you bet I can make?
Go with the sword. Go with the sword. Mitchell, get out of the battlefield. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yeah.
Watch this.
Dun dun. Samurai! Go ninja! Shoot him! Keep shooting him, keep shooting him. Keep shooting him.
Did I?
Keep shooting him. Just shoot him in the nuts.
It like bounced off the doghouse. Ow! It's like shot me in the head!
Seriously,
I think Mitchell fired it. I didn't fire it.
CD
I
time!
got fired.
Musical war! Cody, keep firing. Keep shooting. Destroy him. Okay, he's gone. He isn't coming back, I don't think. You! Let me in!